Welcome back, Bubble Squad!
Hey guys, it's Emma and welcome back to another video. Today I'm just keeping it pretty casual and I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. And I'm at college right now, so at first it was kind of tricky to figure out what to eat, but I'm in a routine and I've been eating very healthily, very happy with myself, and I just worked out. So I want you to come along with me and I'll show you what I eat. This is like very typical. I don't have the same thing every day, but this is food that I eat a lot. And my go-tos are just like really quick and easy because obviously I can't like cook anything, and also I like to go to the little like cafes and stuff like that. And do you know what's amazing? Since I've been eating healthy and working out like 3 to 4 times a week, I've actually noticed like a dramatic shift in my energy levels. Like before I was like crawling out of bed in the morning, but now like yeah, I'm a little tired, but once I'm up, like I'm ready to go. You know, I feel awake and like my mind just feels clearer. And it helps a lot with stress and anxiety, which can come a lot this time of the year. And I tend to get random points of the day where I'm just like super hyper, which never happened before, and it's a good feeling, let me tell you. Okay, without rambling on anymore, make sure you check out my social media and let's get right into it. So for breakfast today, I'm just having some oatmeal. So I love Quaker's apples and cinnamon. It's my favorite flavor, it's so good. And I hate plain oatmeal, I don't know about you. So I just put that in there and then add the water just up to the line that it shows on the pouch, and then pour it in with the oatmeal, and then you microwave it I think for like a minute or two. So when it comes out of the microwave, I just add some toppings. Right now I just use some almonds and it's great for protein, and like I said, I hate plain oatmeal, so this just really adds to it. So for lunch, I'm just adding a bunch of different healthy things onto a plate, and I love doing this, just like a little snack tray, just use whatever you have. Today I have grapes, some baby carrots, and then I love wheat thins. I usually get like the reduced fat wheat thins, and then to put on top of it, I have some Baby Bell cheese. And that's it, super easy, so delicious. So every day I usually go out for about one meal, and today I got a sandwich and it's my favorite. It has turkey, tomato, spinach, avocado spread, and pesto mayo spread. So good. And I also have an apple on the side and just some water, and I love the sandwich right after I worked out. After that I was still a little bit hungry, so I just got a salad with spinach, tomatoes, sunflower seeds, and a balsamic vinaigrette. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you couldn't tell, the audio sounded really good because my brother Kyle is awesome and got me a really nice Yeti microphone for Christmas. So this is actually my first time trying that out. Let me know down below your favorite go-to healthy meal to eat, and I'll make sure to comment back. If you guys want to see like a workout video or any kind of health thing or just a random video, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to add it to my list of ideas. Have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.